Hi everyone, so this is the day before I'm going to uni. Choked on my word. Hey everyone, so this is the day before I go to uni, as you can tell. Been a bit of an emotional day. But I just thought I loved watching these before I went. So I'ma do one. But yeah, I move in tomorrow. I might do a time lapse of me unpacking stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I just thought I'd do a little clip before. Yeah.
Oh, I am tired. Good morning, people. Open these curtains. It is 7:30, and my move-in slot is at 11. I think we're leaving here at 9. But I'm tired. Pickup's done, and I'm now gonna go to the car.
I think the thing that I love most is that I leave my house to get away from building works, and I come here and I have building. But I'm in, parents have gone. I have put quite a bit up already, which I will show you in a couple of other clips, but you know, thanks for the text, Dad. My parents are here. My mum loves a bit of cleaning, so she helped me out a bit. Got my bed. Everything, walls are a bit unpainted, so we'll have to cover that shit up. I realise, when I'm going to record, obviously this is going to turn up, I'm listening to music, but I actually feel like it's really coming along now. I know it's a bit of a shit tip, but I am sorting it. Got to go through that. I'm going to try and make this my kitchen bag box one. And then, beds, something. We've got cactuses, we've got 2 little cards, one from my mum, one from my nan, and then I've got one from my boyfriend's family and one from my driving instructor at home, and another one from my mum because my mum's extra and likes to give me 2 cards. We love that. Yeah, but I'll do a full in-depth soon. I need to go through my stationery, probably going to do that tomorrow. Also, I bought these. I don't know if you just had my leg click, sorry. I bought these, and I don't know why. I thought I was going to get a pegboard, but now I need to buy a pegboard, I feel like, because I have these tubs. Unless I could just stick them up here. I don't really know. We're going to see. Also, as we can see, my hair is a very weird colour. Don't know what it is. Also, ignore my lips. They're really... When the climate changes... Not climate. When life changes, it does its whatever. It looks really blue in this light, and I don't really understand because my hair's far from blue. But I think it's blue outside, and I've got this. I'm not gonna lie to you, there was no noodles in it, and some of them were a bit weird. Overall, 5 out of 10. I might make myself some pasta later, later. My lips are crusty right now, but I'm about to do me hair. Quite nervous, quite excited, but there's always the room tour in the bathroom 2 seconds after I woke up. As you can see, I did my hair last night, so we stand. Yeah, generic, do not drink water bathroom. There are my clothes. Pretty decent. And then over here, if I move this, guys, I just have my toiletries, and I have some cleaning stuff down there. I'm using this as to dry my mat a little bit, and then I'm going to use all my disposable masks up here. And then my nan got me this. Let me come out. I haven't got my bed. That looks a bit better. And here is my wardrobe. I've got some cleaning stuff, but here's my wardrobe. I'm not gonna lie, I've lived here 2 days, and it's already a mess. Yeah. Let's put clothes down there.
And then here's all my underwear and my socks and stuff. Ignore this, I haven't been to the kitchen yet. I have like a scrapbook I'm going to do, and I have these eyelashes in there, my alarm clock, really good desk fan. And then I have my laptop, and then an Echo, which doesn't work because the Wi-Fi won't connect to it. That's like my makeup and stationery, and then that's all like notebooks, obviously I'm going to like decide. And then my little like jewellery and like, oh yeah, it's basically just jewellery with like pictures. I need to change the date. There we go. Yeah, and I have these really cute like photos up. And then I have a pocket up for my mum even there. And this charging cable which says that it's like retractable. It's quite cool. And I have some shoes down here. I have my heels, glasses, those black shoes, and then I have these white shoes. Oh yeah, I also have my splash vans in there, and then I have these amazing heels. There's some shitty sliders back there. And I also have my sliders here. That needs to go in the bin, the big black bag. And then I have a chair that I put this on so it's more comfy. And then I have like toiletries and stuff in there. And I have a really incredible view of the skiff outside, so don't get too jealous. I feel like I need to like spice that all up. Oh yeah, I also have a chair that has my clothes on it. So I'm going to Westwoods today. I might film a bit, so I'm going to get ready and then let's go. So I'm ready. I don't even remember if I've done this clip. Honestly, I'm never not using gloves again. I'm just stupid. But so we're back. I'm going to do a haul of what I got in Westfield. I used something and the hair dye is coming off a bit more and these will be covered. So we're going to do that now, show you that. So the first thing I got was in Primark and it was a charcoal body scrub because I did not bring any body scrub with me. And this is huge and I used quite a bit for my hands and it got most of it off. So I'm going to use that in the bath tonight. Give myself a nice little scrub. And I got a orange lip paint. It went with the outfit. It was reduced to £1, so I got that. I got this because I didn't bring any nail varnish with me, so I'm going to cover up these with that. It doesn't go with the outfit, but I might change it. And then I got these, which is kind of a stupid purchase, but also it's like I will use these whilst I'm here. And they were heavily reduced. And I got these Smurf perfumes. They have Brainy, Vanity, Smurf Vet and Papa. And they were £7. There you go, what happened. And they were £7. So for 4 like spray things, and it goes with my set of my room. And it's a cute little box. So it was good. And then I got 2 of these. These are like massive big bowl soups. And I think they're just like pot noodles. There was like a Japanese shop. I'm pretty sure you just add water. And one of them is pork, and the other one is like, before my phone interrupted me. I can't remember what flavours these are, but there's 2 different ones. One of them's like oniony flavour, and then I got these Pocky sticks, but they're mango. And obviously Pocky's normally like cookies and cream, like strawberries, like the strawberries are like a more normal flavour than mango, so I thought I have to try them because they were £1. I just broke one, not good. They are good. It's like smoothie sort of texture. I don't know, not texture, taste. With these. And the edamame peas. And I thought they were cheap because they were £1.89, and you can buy like fresh ones, but these are like frozen, and then you microwave them. So I just realised I didn't show you my bag. It was 13 quid. It's huge in the Disney store. I also forgot to mention this This was 40p for, I think 40p, let me check. Like for a carrier bag. 75p. These are carrier bags. It's just a tote bag, like, you can actually reuse that and it's like really good.
I forgot to end it, so I'm going to end it now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a like, give it a comment. Tell me if you're going to uni this year, next year. Are you planning on going to uni? If not, let me know and subscribe. Also, if anyone even got to this part of the video, my hands are getting bare, just to let you know. This is my boyfriend got me. I'm not going to say where I go to uni just because I don't really want to, but I will say I am a dancer, so I might do some uni dance vlogs, I don't know, if you work out where I am. But yeah, peace, love you, bye.